Hey guys, welcome back. So I have here the chart for Bitcoin versus US dollar, 4-hour candles from Bitfinex as usual, and Bitcoin finally pushing up as expected. So it just had to have a little bit of consolidation here and now pushing higher. We finally broke through the all-time highs in total market cap. The all-time highs was here, 178, let's say 179, let's call it 180, and it just broke through or about to break as I speak. But the total market cap for altcoins, I would be very, very careful with these guys. I wouldn't recommend to try and catch the bottom. As I have been saying for the past 3 weeks or 4 already, this doesn't look it's going to push up. I think there's going to be a very, very few exceptions of alts that are going to be doing good. And I think all the attention is going to be in Bitcoin. This rise here, it's all thanks to Bitcoin, not the altcoins. Don't believe the hype. I reviewed Bitcoin Cash yesterday. How was that for a call, eh, guys? I entered here, I showed this. It was about to break this first line, and I had my sell target up here for a 38% gain, and it just touched there and went back down. Now, we're still above moving averages, so technically this should bounce here and continue higher, right? Because we are uptrending. I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm going to wait for this confirmation, because now that Bitcoin is pushing so hard and looking at the fork is a very important event. I think people is going to want to continue to sell their altcoins for Bitcoin. I mean, it wouldn't make any sense to hold Bitcoin Cash, even though I love it, but it wouldn't make any sense to hold Bitcoin Cash when you can hold Bitcoin and get your free coins at the moment of the fork. So I think the altcoins are just pumping temporarily. But this is the EOS versus Bitcoin 1-hour candles. It had a nice jump here. Now it bounced on the moving average. Let's see what happens, guys. I don't really trust the altcoins. I think it's very risky to keep your money into the altcoins. I think, well, I'm all in Bitcoin. I did Bitcoin Cash yesterday just for this quick trade, 40% profit, so that now I have more Bitcoin than I had before. But I'm not holding anything else. I'm all in Bitcoin, and of course BitConnect, because it's the only one that I expect to overperform Bitcoin. If we go here to the market cap for all the coins versus US dollar, yeah, things are going up because Bitcoin is going up in terms of dollars. But if we switch to compare the coins versus Bitcoin, you can see that most of them are in red. If you can see, only very few exceptions, and Bitcoin started to pump just now. If we wait 12 or 24 hours, I'm sure 99% of the altcoins are going to be in the red, and only Bitcoin and BitConnect are going to be in the green. So that's my take. I'm not doing a lot of analysis. I don't have a target on the way up, but I would say, I mean, since we broke the 6,000, I think now we're going to be going up by 1,000 every time. So my target would be 7,000, just using common sense, not even technical analysis. I expect to go to 7,000, and then from there maybe retrace, like have a nice retracement. But in general, the time of the fork is here on this box, so I expect to be somewhere around the 7,000 by the time of the fork. And after the fork, we will see what happens. We're going to have a huge sell-off probably, but we're still 2 weeks away. So when we get closer, I will think about that. For now, I'm just holding my Bitcoin, my BitConnect, and enjoying the ride. So guys, that's my take for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.